Hey guys, happy Monday! Today is the first video in my 5 days of cleaning. I'm going to be following my weekly cleaning list. I'll be focusing on a different room each day. This video is also in collaboration with Amber from Housewifeglamlife here on YouTube. She is a homeschooling mama of 2. She has tons of home decor videos, cleaning videos, DIY. I'm really enjoying watching her channel. If you guys haven't checked her out yet, you should totally head on over there. I will link her channel down below. All right, so let's get into cleaning. So on Mondays, I go in the bathrooms and clean. So what I'm gonna be focusing on today is cleaning the toilets, the sinks, mirrors, countertops, the showers, the tub. I'm gonna wash all the rugs, replace the towels, vacuum and mop, and then refill soap, toilet paper, etc. and all that. And if you guys are new to my channel and aren't familiar with our bathroom remodel, we are still in the process of remodeling this master bathroom. So if you see some things kind of weird in here, my husband did just finish the tile last weekend, so that's pretty much done. We've got a bathtub, but we don't have our glass yet for our shower, and there's just some other things that we need to finish, like the wood paneling around the tub and whatnot, but it is getting there slowly but surely, and I can't wait to reveal the whole thing to you guys soon. So all right, I'm gonna stop talking and let's start cleaning. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow on Tuesday, and we will be concentrating on the living room. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye!